Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the extension and opening it immediately so you can act. Install and pin the Json formatter, then click its icon to open the interface. Once done, paste raw JSON, drag a JSON file into the window, or load a URL to populate the viewer. You do this first because the extension needs data to parse. This step eliminates guesswork and gets you into the formatting flow quickly. Now format and inspect. Select Pretty View to convert minified JSON into readable trees, or Raw View for exact bytes. Collapse or expand nodes to focus on a subtree, and use Search Ctrl+F to jump to keys or values. Make sure to adjust indentation, wrap, and theme settings to match your reading comfort. These choices improve scanning speed and surface structural errors you might otherwise miss. Finish by copying or exporting the clean JSON for use in tools or commits. Use the copy button for clipboard or export to save a JSON file. If parsing fails, read the parser error message and line number to find the syntax issue. Common fixes are missing commas or mismatched braces. If you get stuck, enable auto-validate or switch to raw view to edit the source directly and then revalidate to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.